Hey guys, today I am going to adopt the Love Kitten.
If so, let's begin.
Yes.
Now it's time to give your pet a name.
I'm going to name her
because it can't be changed later.
More.
And let us know if your pet is a boy or a girl.
I'm going to spell More. More? There. More. I don't think that's right either. I'm going to name her Romance. Oops. That could spell. Romance. Girl.
Now it's time to enter your pet's secret code. The secret code is found on the tag attached to your Ribkins. The code must be unused or it will not work. Remember to save your tag and keep it very secret. Your code will always prove that this account for your security. Please type the secret letters you see here.
Sorry if it's shaky. J. HS. J. X. N.
Congratulations!
Oh, look at, she's so cute.
The adoption is complete. Thank you for adopting another Ribkins.
Romance, August 12th, a Love Kitten. Hi, I'm Romance. I'm happy that you picked me out. I like being friendly, quick, and a good artist. I think telling jokes is the best. My best friend is a lamb. I'll tell you a secret. I love watermelons, and I've always wanted a colorful characters coloring book.
If you would like to adopt another pet, you can do so now. Otherwise, have
Slow. Faster. Yay! Oh, she is so cute. So, there she is. Oops. She's adorable. Aww. And look, there's a lamb. She's next to my lamb. Okay, anyway. Ooh. I opened my deluxe box. A cat window? How fitting. A wish token and a rainbow hat. There's her box. It's pretty. I got a bonus gift box, a wooden grandfather clock, and a heart air balloon, which looks really cool. There's her food. Valentine's Vittles. Open the deluxe gift box. And I got another wooden grandfather clock. What is that? Anyway. Wow. Two. Okay. Feed her. And let's look at her item. It's raining. What's that? Is it not the object? Whoa, that is huge. cute. Can she like move around in it? Oh, it's a vehicle. Okay, sorry. I'm not easily amused. How cute is that? Oops. Okay. It's really cute. I like it. Okay. So, that is her. So, thanks for watching. Bye.